Guys, today we prepare one of my favorite smoothie. The fruit smoothie is strawberry, raspberry, banana and milk. That's it. Okay, we need frozen strawberry. You hear? That's frozen. Raspberry. Next is the banana. Remember to remove this because we cannot eat this. Okay, banana. Now we need fat-free milk. Next thing is ice. Here we go. Smoothie. What was that? Wait. We didn't finish yet. Okay, we didn't finish. Wait a second, please. Come on. Look at that. Wait, what is that? It's the paradise. Raining dark chocolate. Taste check. So good.